Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little stay-at-home makeup look. A lot of these are products that I have been using for a really long time, but there are a couple new things mixed in there. I am going to start with a couple skincare items. First, I'm going to use a little bit of this Mario Badescu Hyaluronic Eye Cream. I know that they say for eye cream you're really only supposed to put it like around here, like kind of in a circle around your eye. I actually put it a little bit on my actual eyelid area just because I have really dry skin right there and it really helps. But I don't know if you're actually supposed to do that, but it's something that I do. Okay, and I'm gonna actually do a little bit of lip balm. This is the Rosebud Salve by Smith's, and I've used this for years. I love this product so much. It looks like this. I wouldn't say it has like a tint. I guess in here it has sort of a peachy pink kind of a color. I don't think that really comes through on the lips. Maybe a little bit. So the next thing I'm gonna do is foundation, and it's the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Liquid Longwear that I've used forever. I love this stuff. I feel like my skin loves this stuff. It's just a good formula for my skin type. It has SPF 20 in it. Because of how dry my eyelids are, I'm not gonna put any of this on my eyes, so I'm aware it's like the rest of my skin is evened out, but my eyes are still really red. I'm gonna go in there with a concealer in just a minute. This foundation is on the drier side, I guess, so I don't put it around my eyes when they're really dry. The next thing I'm gonna do is another product that I've used forever and ever. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. You can see it's almost gone. I do have a backup. That was like one of the things when I was at the store the last time. I was like, I have to get a backup concealer. What I'm gonna do is put it right here. And again, that might feel like kind of a lot, but for me, it's just something that I find is really hydrating on my eyes, so it's not gonna get cakey. If you're using a different kind of concealer that has the tendency to do that, obviously I would be a little bit more light-handed with it. I'm gonna take that just like all the way up to my eyebrows. The next thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush them. The product that I'm using is the CoverGirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil in the shade Rich Brown. And it's just one of these guys. It has a spoolie on one end and a little pencil on the other. This is my favorite kind of product to use on my brows, but I feel like brows are a really hard thing to be like, okay, and the next you're gonna do this, because it's so different for every single person, because like what I'm doing right now is so specific to my eyebrow shape and like where I need a little bit more filled in. And then I kind of go back in with the brush, blend it, see if I need anything else anywhere. And then the last step for my brows is gonna be the clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Using this just kind of makes it so they'll still like stay in place throughout the day. And this is just kind of a fun little extra step. This isn't something I like to do every day, but I think it's something that you can still do quickly in a more natural look that's just gonna tie it together a little bit more, make it feel a little bit more complete. And it's the NYX Wonder Stick. And I'm gonna take the contour side and I'm just gonna go, and I'm gonna blend up. So I'm gonna try to leave the bottom part as untouched as possible. Like obviously I don't want it to be noticeable, but at the same time, I want to keep it a crisp line as much as I can. The next thing I'm going to do is go in with bronzer. I'm using this Bahama Mama. I'm going to take a fluffier brush. I'm going to kind of do a little bit to kind of diffuse the contouring. It's a little bit of like a bronzer situation. And the other place I'm going to take bronzer is right in my eyelids. I'm just gonna do this instead of an eyeshadow. I just kind of want something that's gonna bring everything together, add a little bit more definition in my eyelids, and this is gonna do that. And I'm gonna do the L'Oreal True Match blush in the shade Apricot Kiss. Apricot? I'm gonna do it like right kind of on the apples of my cheeks. I like a lot of blush. The next thing I'm gonna do is apply this Fresh Sugar Lip Treatment in the shade Bloom. The next thing I'm gonna do is curl my lashes. From here, what I'm gonna do is spray, this isn't really a setting spray, it's kind of like a facial treatment spray, but I kind of use it to just bring a little bit of extra life back into my skin. I always make sure to do this before liner or mascara or anything like that because I don't want it to make it run. I'm using today the Mario Badescu one in the like lavender. It has aloe, chamomile, and lavender. And after that's had kind of a second to sink in, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of eyeliner. I just wanna do a little bit of eyeliner for fun, and I've been using the Revlon Color Stay Sharp Line. It's like this kind of a shape, which I love because it makes it so easy. Like you literally just like lay it down right along your lash line and it's so simple. I'm not gonna do a wing or anything like that, although if you are especially just learning how to do a wing, I would definitely recommend this shape because it's so easy to just whoop. I have a new step that I started doing. It's a mascara primer. I'm using the one for Lash Paradise. It takes like 2 seconds and it honestly makes such a difference. And then I'm actually gonna go in with the matching mascara, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Okay, and that is it. I'm all done. This is my staying at home, fresh face of makeup. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody is staying safe and healthy. I will see you next time. Bye. So, shoot. Oh, no, my hands are all lotiony, so I can't open it. There we go. Okay, I'm really trying to do that with my right hand. That was silly. I don't know. I'm definitely left-handed. If you didn't know that about me, I am left-handed. I'm just gonna do the same on the other side. Oh, I already put it on there. I'm silly. Makeup, that's my